Hi guys, this is Pri. Welcome to our channel IELTS with Pri and Aman at IELTS Success Academy. So in this video, we will be doing a cue card that is amongst the May to August 2025 speaking topic. So let's look at the topic. Describe a picture or photograph of you that you are proud of. You should say when you took it, where you took it, what is in this photo, and explain why you are proud of it. So let's look at a sample answer that I have created for you all. Photography is a practice that allows for self-expression, preserves memories, fosters creativity, as well as serves as a powerful communication tool. And today, I would like to talk about a photograph that I admire a lot. And I'm very proud of it. So, preserve means to store, foster means to encourage, and admire means to like something. So now let's take a coffee break with Empress Farms. If you are stressed about your IELTS exam, try Empress Farms coffee. Its bold flavor with pureness is the perfect companion for your English learning journey. You can order it now on Amazon. Link is shared in the description. Now let's continue with the cue card. I vividly remember that a couple of years ago, my parents and nephew had come to visit me in Toronto, and we all went to visit the majestic and world famous Niagara Falls, where we clicked a family picture together. So, majestic means very big and huge. Moreover, we wanted to get a closer view of the falls, so we were strolling on the trails next to the falls and decided to rest for some time as the walk is of approximately 4 kilometers. So, strolling means to walk slowly. Trails means walking paths. We all sat in front of the guarded fence with the gigantic and picturesque falls in the backdrop, and we were enjoying the sounds of the gushing water. Fence is like a kind of barricade. So, gigantic again means huge or big. Picturesque means beautiful. Backdrop means background. Gushing means flowing. It was at that moment that we asked a passerby to click a photo of all of us together. So, passerby means someone who was just going past by or a pedestrian, okay? Additionally, we were all layered up in winter coats and have scarves wrapped around our heads as it was quite chilly and windy near the falls. Despite the cold weather, we were all smiling and seemed completely relaxed in the picture. Finally, I feel proud of the photo and also quite nostalgic as my family members came for a very short duration and reminds me of all the great memories that we created during that trip, which I still cherish and feel on cloud nine whenever I look at that picture. So, nostalgic means when you are thinking about something that happened in the past. Cherish means to remember for a long time. And we have also used an idiom here which is feel on cloud nine, which means to be very happy and joyous. Thank you for your time, everyone.